A powerful snowstorm has stranded at least 1,000 tourists on Mount Everest's Tibetan slopes. Rescue operations are underway, with 350 people already brought to safety in the nearby city of Qudang, according to local media reports. China's state media said the tourists were trapped at an altitude of about 16,000 feet on Everest's eastern slope in Tibet. Rescue teams, aided by hundreds of local residents, are cleaning snow from the access routes, evacuate those stranded to safer areas. The eastern face of the Everest on the Tibetan side is a popular destination for mountaineers. Heavy snowfall began Friday evening and intensified overnight. Officials warned that the severe cold poses a serious risk of hypothermia. This year's weather has been highly unusual, with conditions rarely seen in October. According to Reuters, the local Tingri County Tourism Authority has suspended ticket sales and closed the sightseeing areas since Saturday night. Weather conditions across the region remain extreme. In neighboring Nepal, landslides and flash flood triggered by heavy rain have killed at least 47 people, while in China, Typhoon Mamto has forced the evacuation of around 150,000 residents. Nusrat Anunna, Daily Sun.